students. Today we want to do simultaneous equation, substitution method. We already have a video of elimination method 1, 2, and 3. If you have not seen the video, you can check my profile for the video. So today we want to solve simultaneous equation using substitution method. If we have a question like 3a plus b equal to 11, and we have 2a minus 3b equal to minus 11. Now, how do we solve this using substitution method? Let's start this equation 1 and this equation 2. Okay, so now substitution method means making any of the unknown the subject. Then after making it the subject, you then substitute it in the next equation. So looking at what we have here, you will agree with me that it is more easier for us to make b the subject in equation 1. It is easier because the coefficient of b is 1 and the sign is positive. So for us to achieve that, we're going to take 3a out of this place to the other side of the equation, to the side where we have 11, and that will give us something like b equal to 11 minus 3a. Now what we did here was that we made b the subject of the equation a, so we can tag this equation 3. Alright, so after getting this, we will now substitute. We sub 11 minus 3a for b in. Now take note of this. If you make this any alphabet the subject, for example in equation 1, this part of substitution, you substitute it in the next equation, maybe equation 2. If you make it the subject in equation 1, you substitute it in equation 2. If you make it the subject in equation 2, you substitute it in equation 1. So that's how this works. So since we made b the subject in equation 1, we're going to substitute it in equation 2. So in equation 2, what do we have? We have 2a minus 3b equals minus 11. So remember what I said substitution is: remove and replace. So instead of b, now we want to put this, so that will give us 2a minus, instead of b, so we have 3 open brackets, 11 minus 3a close brackets equal to minus 11. So we're going to remove the bracket from here. That will give us 2a minus 33. How do we remove the brackets? We're going to use whatever we have outside the bracket to multiply what we have in the bracket. So minus times plus will give us minus. 3 times 11 will give us 33. Then minus times minus will give us plus. 3 times 3a will give us 9a. So we have equal to minus 11. So here, from here, we're going to collect like terms. Like terms means put the like numbers together, like 2a and 9a, they are like terms. Negative 33 and negative 11 are like terms, so we have to put them together. So that means we have 2a plus 9a is equal to negative 11. Now, because this negative 3 will be traveling from here down to this place, and in the process of coming down to this place, it will cross the equality sign over to the other side. So it's moving from the left hand side of the equality sign, it's traveling to the right hand side. So as a result of this, the sign will change. It was negative here, it will become positive 33. So here we have 2a plus 9a will give us 11a. Then negative 11 plus 33 will give us 22. So we then divide both sides by the coefficient of a for us to get the value of a. So when we divide both sides by the coefficient of a will cancel a here. 11, 22 cancel, 11 cancel 22 will give us 2. So we have our a equals 2. So right now we've gotten the value of a, but we have not gotten the value of b, don't forget. So then we now, since we have gotten the value of a, we now substitute 2 for a. Now this second substitution, we can use any of the equations, any of them, but I prefer using equation 3. So we are substituting 2 for a in equation 3. I prefer using equation 3 because equation 3 we've made b the subject already. So we have b equal to 11 minus 3a. So that means we have b equals to, don't forget what substitution means. It means remove and replace. So minus 3, instead of a now, we're going to put 2. Because a is now 2. We have gotten a as what? 2. So that means our b will be equal to 11 take away 6. And that will give us b equals 5. So this happens to be the value of a and b. Our a is 2 and our b is 5. For instance, let's see if we are actually correct. If we decide to put the values here, so a is 2, 3 times 2 is 6, plus b is 5. 6 plus 5 will give us what? 11. So this is actually correct. Let us try it also in equation 2. 2a, that's 2 times 2, which is 4, minus 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15, that's minus 15. So 4 minus 15 will give us minus 11. You can see that we got the two answers. So that shows that we are actually correct with the two values that we got. The value a equals 2 and b equals 5. So that is how to solve simultaneous equation using substitution method. Please subscribe to get more of our videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. Subscribe so that you can get more of our videos. We have a lot of videos that we solved topics in mathematics. We simplified, and from there, if you watch the video, you actually get to understand the topic better. Thank you for watching.